Hey guys, this is Harshila and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be talking to you guys about my hair and everything that I do to keep them frizz-free and manageable and just beautiful looking as they are looking right now. So if that's something that interests you, then please keep on watching. Now before we begin, I just quickly wanted to mention the kind of hair that I have and my hair problems. So I do have a lot of hair. I mean, I do have thin hair, but I have a lot of them, so that is why the density is a lot. So I have like really dense hair. Also my hair is like wavy to straight, depending on their mood. Sometimes they're like really wavy and sometimes they're kind of straight, but most of the time they are on the wavier side. Now I do have dry hair in general and even drier hair ends. That's because I have color treated my hair, and I think if you have color treated your hair, you tend to pay a little more attention and a little more care to your hair in order to make sure that they are healthy and just looking really nice. Now the frequent hair problem that I face is frizziness. My hair tends to get like really frizzy and really dry. As I mentioned, I do have like dry hair and even drier hair ends. It tends to get tangly, so those are the problems that I usually face. And the way I have been taking care of my frizzy hair and keeping the frizziness at bay is by using these products by Matrix. It's the Matrix Opticare Smooth Straight range. Now this is how the shampoo and conditioner looks. There's also a serum which is really good. So it's a 3-step range. It is the #1 professional home care range, which is now delivered easily from salon to your home. All I really had to do is go on the SOCOM link, which will also be mentioned in the description bar below. So if you want, you can go ahead and check it out for yourself. I just had to go onto the website, select the products, put it in my cart and just order them. It's that easy and that fuss free. I mean, you're getting professional care for your hair, that too at home. I mean, it's just amazing. I really like all the products and how they have made my hair all frizz free. I mean, that is something that I have suffered for years, and this range has worked like wonders. Starting off with the shampoo, we have Matrix Opticare Smooth Straight range. It also has shea butter in it, which is amazing. I really like this shampoo. It thoroughly cleanses my scalp and leaves my hair feeling so smooth. I mean, I can't even tell you, like when I was actually shampooing my hair, I could tell how manageable and how soft and smooth my hair is gonna be when I step out of the shower. You know that feeling when you're like shampooing and you just know it. That's how I felt when I was like shampooing my hair. It's so good. As I told you guys that I do have color treated hair. I don't really like to shampoo every now and then, so I like to stretch it maybe till 4th day or like 5th day. I also like work out every single day, so my hair and my scalp tends to get greasy, but this product, oh my god, like it was so good. It got rid of all the greasiness and it left my scalp all squeaky clean. There have been times where I've like oiled my hair and I've shampooed using this product, and this shampoo has gotten rid of all the greasiness, all the gunk, which is something that I actually look for in a shampoo, and this baby has just killed it. Like this worked so well. Even though it gets rid of all the greasiness, it doesn't really leave your hair feeling really dry, you know, like most of the products do. So that is something that I absolutely love about this product. And I also sometimes go in and shampoo it twice. It just leaves my hair feeling shinier, I feel. So yeah. Now let's talk about the conditioner. This is how the conditioner looks like. This also has shea butter in it, which is really great, I feel. Now, oh my god, this product has to be my absolute favorite product. It is so good. Like, now I don't think so any product has ever worked this well on my hair. This product just works really well. It leaves your hair feeling like so soft and just so manageable. Like even when you're applying the product, you just feel that like I could literally finger comb my hair in the shower, which rarely happens. Like I could literally like get through each and every strand, and this baby just leaves my hair feeling like, I mean, each and every hair strand just feels like silk. That's how smooth my hair feels. Also, a little tip here, the product also doubles as a mask, which is amazing. You just have to keep this in for maybe 5 minutes and there you have it, like your mask, and your hair will thank you. If you want, you can also soak in the towel in hot water and then wrap it around your hair, and oh my god, that also works really well, at least with my hair. So if you haven't tried it, maybe try it out. You wouldn't regret it. We have the serum, which is also by the same range, and it also has shea butter in it, which is amazing. Now this product acts like a protectant as well as it helps in taming down the frizz. If you want, you can use it on your wet hair as well. That will give you a lot of control, and if you use this on your dry hair, it will tame down the frizziness and basically make your hair more manageable. What I really like about this product is that it's extremely lightweight and it doesn't really weigh down your hair as most products do, so that's something that I absolutely love. I also really like how the finish is non-greasy and it leaves your hair feeling all silky smooth and nice. I'll just show you how you're supposed to use this serum. So what you do is basically divide your hair in 2 sections like so. Yeah, there you have it, and then you take maybe a pump or 2, or depending upon your density, depending upon the length of your hair. Yeah, maybe pump or 2, yeah, maybe that much. And I'm just going to work it in between my palms. Yeah, and then I'm just going to work it inwards and then outwards. So yeah, like so. I do the same. I take it here inwards and then outwards, and you're not supposed to take this anywhere near your roots. And whatever is left on my hand, I'm just going to spread it across the mid-lengths. Also, I really like the smell of this. It's very nice, not at all overpowering. Again, a little tip here, you can use this product before you blow dry your hair. That will just help protect your hair, or if you want, you can just use it later on as a serum, as I did right now, which will leave your hair looking all shiny and nice. Another thing that I like about this product is that little goes a long way, which is really great. So this is quite an investment, you see. Lastly, to conclude the video, all I really want to say is that all these products are amazing. I personally have used them, and if you are someone who's struggling through the whole frizziness, or if you're finding it difficult to manage your hair and to tame it down, like, just blindly go for these products. You wouldn't regret it. I'm such a sucker when it comes to hair care, and these products have literally ticked all my check boxes. And out of these 3 products, I think 2 of them though are doubling up as 2 other products. Like this one, you can also use it as a mask, and this one also doubles up as a protectant, and which is in fact a serum, so which is amazing. So definitely go for it. Now I have taken these before and after shots for your reference, so that you know how my hair looked before using these products and how they looked after using these products. As you can see, there's a visible difference. So in the before clip, you can see how frizzy and untamed they look, and in the after clip you see how beautiful and just nice frizz-free they look. Lastly, the SOCOM link will be mentioned in the description bar, so go check it out. It's really easy. As I mentioned, you just have to go check out the products, put it in your cart and order it. It's extremely hassle-free and extremely fuss-free to get these products, like get whole professional care at your home. I mean, why wouldn't you? So yeah, just go get it. I personally have been enjoying these products, and I'm sure you would too, so go do it. And that being said, I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, then you know the drill. Like, share, comment, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like, it would mean the world to me, so please go ahead and do that. And that being said, I will definitely see you next time. Bye. Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan.